Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase dividend income with BlackRock, full guide step by step clearly. To begin increasing your dividend income with BlackRock, first, research the company's investment options. Visit the BlackRock website for detailed information on their funds and products. Familiarize yourself with BlackRock's diverse portfolio, focusing on their equity, fixed income, and multi-asset strategies. Next, assess your financial goals and risk tolerance. Determine how much dividend income you aim to generate. This will help guide your investment strategy. Consider using BlackRock's dividend-focused ETFs and mutual funds. Evaluate the performance history of these funds to understand their dividend yields. Look closely at the expense ratios to gauge their cost-effectiveness. Once you've chosen a fund, create an investment account if you don't already have one. This can be done through a brokerage that offers access to BlackRock products. You may also consider setting up automatic investments to contribute consistently over time. Monitor your investments regularly to track performance and dividend distributions. Reinvest dividends to benefit from compound growth. Use the dividends to purchase additional shares of the fund. Keep an eye on market trends and economic indicators that might impact dividend yields. Stay informed about BlackRock's strategies and fund adjustments through market news and updates. Adjust your portfolio as necessary, ensuring it aligns with your financial objectives. Lastly, consult with a financial advisor if you have questions or need tailored advice. By following these steps, you can effectively increase your dividend income with BlackRock. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.